Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this temperature and humidity monitor from Parkside with a 3 years warranty for measuring and logging air temperature and relative humidity, ideal for monitoring moisture prone and temperature sensitive areas. Up to 32,000 climate data sets included, daytime can be saved. Measurement recording interval adjustable from 10 seconds to 24 hours. Adjustable limit values max minimum with LED alarm signal. Simple data transfer via USB Type-A interface and output in PDA format or as an Excel files. And it is compatible with Microsoft Windows 7 and more. Analyzes software with diagram evaluation. You need to download the Parkside temperature and humidity monitor software. Measuring range is from -30 to 70 Celsius and from 0 to 100% humidity. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. There is the device. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product with a base and included these two screws. You can mount it permanently, the base at the wall, at the wood. Let's reveal and the display. Remove that. And there is the USB to transfer all your data. And there is the battery. We have a CR2032. Let's install the battery again. Rotate and lock. And it turns on. Now at the unit, here we've got the LED indicator, obviously the display, green and black around, climate data logger, the model. There is the sensor holes here around. We've got the start button, the stop button, and we can see continuously is measuring the temperature. We can see this, it is no alarm, max values, minimum values, kinetic temperature, low alarm settings, high alarm settings, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and we are back at the temperature. Press this, goes at the humidity, and is just measuring. Now to transfer all the data to your desktop or laptop, you need to download the Parkside temperature and humidity monitor software. But before that, you need to activate the data record to have some data and transfer to your desktop or laptop. To do that, just press and hold this button. It says rec. Recording is starting. It's flashing green, and now it starts recording the temperature and the humidity. Now let's plug it in on my desktop after have some recordings. It says USB at the screen, and there we've got the two files on PDF and Excel. You can open that and having all the data at your PDF file. The software, it is the Parkside Climate Data Logger version 1. Press the download button. Successfully to download data. Okay. And here we are, we've got 3 separate data logs. I need the most recent. And we can go at the record. And there we can see the number from 1 to 30. The day, let's open that, the hour, the minute, the second, the temperature and the humidity. You can see all the records and it goes by second. Wow. I can see is measuring every 10 seconds. Okay, nice. And again, you can go here. You have all the informations, device information, settings, start mode, interval, stop mode, delay, start time, stop time, total time, max, minimum, average temperature, quantity is 30, max humidity, minimum and average. And of course here you can choose to have the diagram only for the humidity or only for the temperature or both. You can see the scale. Here we've got in yellow the dry, green it is the comfort, and blue it is the wet. And as I'm moving with my mouse, you have some data, information. Perfect. Alarm information, delay, direction, count. We've got one alarm, direction 40 seconds. Humidity was 80%. That's why we've got the alarm. And you can export on Excel or PDF file. You can choose language. You can have the manual for the software, and you can exit. And of course you can stop. And again press download. Successfully to download data. And you can go at the parameters, and here you can change the parameters. Model, unit, you can choose Celsius or Fahrenheit, ID, description, time, you can update the time of the device via the USB, high temperature, signal accumulated, low temperature, high humidity, low humidity, you can change all that. Threshold, low temperature the same, high humidity, and then you will get alarms if you have more than 80% or lower than 30% humidity. Delay, you can choose the delay. And you can write. Successfully to write parameter is synchronizing, and you have the new parameters at your USB unit. Same here, if you want to change, you can do temperature adjusting or humidity adjusting. The interval, it can record every 10 seconds, every 15, 20, 25 seconds, you can choose. Key, software, appointment, or the key. Start key. Delay, you can choose delay, and you can stop with a key. And write. And again synchronize the unit. And close. You can have this Parkside temperature and humidity monitor USB connected all the time at your desktop. You can have a long cable and just have your data all the time at your desktop, at your laptop. Or you can have a laptop, let's say you need to have data from your freezer, from a big freezer, from a huge cooler at your warehouse. You can have your laptop outside, connected this temperature and humidity monitor USB inside, and all the time you can just press download here and have your data at your laptop and just check your data. And of course you can have more than one. It depends where you want to measure, in which area, and I think definitely it will do a good job. I like that can measure every 10 seconds and have your data all the time to your laptop or desktop. And of course it is very important, if you have sensitive products at the freezer and the cooler, you need to monitor all the time the temperature and the humidity. Well guys, that was all about. It cost only 25 euros, and if you need to have that kind of product, measure all the time your humidity and the temperature wherever you want, and have your data at your desktop, I think it's a great opportunity. Well, just buy it. Buy more than one unit if you need, and just have all your data. And in the end, I would like to test how much accurate it is, this unit, compared with the other three. 27.5, 28.1, 27.6 is the temperature. More or less is the same. 62%, 61.2% and 63% is the humidity. Let's see, and at this climate data logger. 27.7%, yep, correct, very accurate, compared with these three units. And the humidity 62.6%. I like it. Thumbs up. The sensor, it is very sensitive. As am I speaking, my breath is just going at this area, it is the sensor, and changing the humidity. But I can say definitely it is very accurate. And with all guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.